Are you staring at an unexpected bill, or maybe just a great opportunity, and wondering, how am I going to cover this before my next payday? If so, you are probably already familiar with the struggle, and perhaps, with services like Beforepay. But then the big question hits: how much deposit do you actually need to get started with Beforepay? It's a common misconception that services offering quick access to your wages require some form of upfront deposit in the traditional sense, like you're putting down collateral for a loan. This isn't how Beforepay operates, and understanding this distinction is crucial to alleviating any confusion or financial anxiety. Unlike a traditional loan, Beforepay isn't asking you to secure your advance with a lump sum of your own money first. That would defeat the entire purpose of needing an advance in the first place, wouldn't it? Beforepay's model is built on helping you access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. They're not extending you new credit that requires a security deposit. Instead, they're providing a cash-out service for money you've already worked for. Think of it less like a loan and more like an accelerated payroll. So, to answer the question directly, you don't need a deposit to use Beforepay. There's no upfront sum of money you have to pay them to access your advance. This is a significant point and one that often surprises new users who might be accustomed to the requirements of other financial products. What Beforepay does require, however, is a few key pieces of information and adherence to their eligibility criteria. These are not deposits but rather verification steps to ensure you're eligible for their service and that they can responsibly offer you an advance. These typically include: firstly, you need to link your bank account. This allows Beforepay to assess your income and spending patterns, which is how they determine how much you're eligible to cash out. It also enables them to deposit the advance directly into your account and automatically debit the repayment when your payday arrives. Secondly, you need to have a consistent income and be regularly employed. Beforepay needs to see a reliable history of wages being deposited into your account. This is how they verify that you have earned income that will be available for repayment. They aren't looking for a deposit from you, but rather a consistent income stream that demonstrates your ability to repay the advance. Thirdly, you'll need to meet their minimum income requirements, which can vary. While you don't need to put down a deposit, Beforepay needs to ensure that the advance they provide is manageable for your financial situation. This is a responsible lending practice, not a requirement for an upfront payment. Finally, while not a deposit, there is a small subscription fee associated with using Beforepay. This fee is typically a flat rate charged periodically, e.g., weekly or monthly, and is for accessing the service itself, not a deposit for an advance. It's important to understand this distinction: you pay for the service, not to access your own earned wages. This subscription fee is separate from any repayment of the advance itself. In essence, Beforepay simplifies access to your already earned money without the hurdle of an initial deposit. Their focus is on your verifiable income and banking history to determine eligibility and advance amounts, not on you putting down a cash sum. It's a convenient tool for managing short-term cash flow without the complexities of traditional loans or their associated deposit requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.